I'm not gonna do too much talking. Make sure y'all stay to the end of the video so y'all can see exactly how I got my hair super slick with only using leave-in conditioner, only using a foam mousse, and a little bit of gel. That's all you need. And you can wear this for like the rest of the week. You know, if you just need some real chill, something still cute, this all you need. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the video. And yeah, I love y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe so I know y'all like these type of videos. But I'm basically just showing y'all the quick and easy results on how I get this low bun. Basically, y'all saw me putting conditioner in my hair, and I'm detangling my hair with the conditioner at the same time. The deep conditioner that I use is the Matrix. I'm gonna show y'all really quickly. Yeah, guys, so that is basically what I do. And basically, I just use my detangling brush. I will link it down in my Amazon store in my description box below. So make sure y'all check that out. And y'all see how basically I just keep detangling until I get a sleek ponytail like that. I keep the conditioner in my hair. I let it sit for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it out while it's still in the ponytail. And then I just get out of the shower, literally. Okay guys, so I am coming back. This is the final result. I didn't even do my edges for real, and I'm sorry, I'm not. Yeah, but this how my hair came out. It came out super cute, fire. I'm gonna take some bomb ass pictures, even though my hair not even done for real. Let's put on some lip gloss. Hold on. Cute. Yes. I love this. It's giving very luxury, but very sophisticated. Yeah, it's giving all that with this. And yeah. So I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Natural hair. So yeah, this is how it came out. Super cute, very effortless. Later. Deuces.